coach. My name is Rebecca, one of the health coaches here with Symbol, and today we'll be making 3 different variations of overnight oats.
Today I'll be prepping my oats in some small Pyrex containers. You can use a mason jar, you can repurpose a jar from your kitchen, or any airtight container will do. We'll go ahead and add our 1/2 cup of old-fashioned oats to our first dish. And it's best that you use old-fashioned instead of quick oats so that they don't get as mushy. We'll add our 1/2 cup of milk. And you can use any sort of milk, almond milk, oat milk. I'm using 2% cow's milk. And we'll go in with about 1/4 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. One tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds help add extra fiber and a little bit of extra protein. And finally, 1 tablespoon of honey for a little bit of sweetness. And we'll give that a stir. Now we'll fill our other 2 bowls with the same base recipe. Now that we have our base recipe in, we'll add our flavor mix-ins. Our first recipe will be a Pina Colada. We'll add 1/4 cup of pineapple, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened shredded coconut, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll give that a stir. Our next flavor is spiced pear. We'll add 1/2 of a diced pear, 1 tablespoon of chopped pecans, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. And we'll mix that together. Our last flavor is carrot cake. We'll add 1/4 cup of shredded carrots. This is a great way to get some vegetables early in the morning. We'll add 1 box of raisins, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we'll give that a mix. We'll add the lid to our containers and pop these in the fridge. These overnight oats can be ready in as little as 2 hours, but ideally 8 hours. All right, our oats are done soaking overnight. They have absorbed that milk and the chia seeds have expanded and they are ready to devour. These recipes are a great way to get some fiber, protein, and some added fruits and vegetables early in the morning. They can be served cold out of the fridge or popped in the microwave if you want them to be a little warmer. I hope you guys enjoy.